Diversified Controls and Systems was created in 1977 in response to industry needs for customized industrial controls. It has evolved into a company of highly talented, experienced control specialists and custom metal fabricators. This evolution has also allowed DC&S to take on worldwide projects for melting and process applications for the refractory and glass industry. This diverse background has also allowed us to design and build an innovative melting system. The MeltMizer provides melting for an array of refractory materials, such as remediating hazardous waste into safe, glass-like state. This system is completely integrated and has both environmental and commercial applications. The MeltMizer achieved a worldwide patent in 2000 due to its portability and 90 configurations. The vision of DC&S going forward is to promote expansion of a 30,000 square foot facility on our existing industrial park setting, which is tailored to future tenants whose focus is manufacturing. The complex will be uniquely arranged to accommodate tenants who can benefit from the value-added services of our support in metal fabrication, electro-manufacturing assembly, and finishing. This level of support allows future tenants to avoid redundancy during all phases of their manufacturing process. The DC&S core values have remained strong, and our passion now is in developing relationships with manufacturers of complementary interests, resulting in cost savings of the manufacturing process. If you are a manufacturer considering future growth and are interested in learning more about shared processes, Diversified Control and Systems would love to hear from you.